as you know, I'm now Huayi International Lightning Plaza. Oh, can you okay, yeah. So as you can see, there is amazing lights for the ceiling. What? 你说什么？小爱，小爱。哦，小爱，小爱。Hello everyone, welcome to another special vlog. Everything is all about lights. So let's go and check it out about today's exclusive vlogs in this exclusive channel. See you. It's a very good place for the big types of lights here. So let's see. Wow, amazing, right? It's a very expensive one. Whoa, it's a very unique product overall, because it's the only place where you can find all types of lights, right? Ooh. If you come this place, you can see the middle place of this shopping center. So here mentioned like a different way you will find some different types of products, and here you can see some small kind of lights which is called Lineo. Let's go and have a look about this place. Okay, it's like a crystal. Hello. So can I take video? Is it okay? No. Huh? No. So I just got the card from the James, and he is working as a sales manager here, this place, and this company or brand name is Lineo. Okay, Lineo. So this kind of product is the very good one, and they have a very good price for this kind of product. So if you have any inquiry, you can just let me know. I will try to share the price of this. If you have an inquiry, I will check with them. Okay, so it's a very good one. I'm now Huayi International Lightning Plaza. So they have categories, some floors, right? So first floor, second floor. So they have a lots of things. So like crystal lights, modern lights, art of lights, European, all over furnitures like. So let's go and check this place right now. Okay, in the second floor, I think this is kind of very unique, like very kind of expensive in the first floor. And now let me check what's in the next floor. Okay, let's go. এখানে হলো এই ধরনের লাইটগুলো। Hello. So can I take video? Is it okay? Because I have some clients, I just want to show them. 我有很多的客户人，他们看看我的视频，他喜欢你的，我说你。Okay, so this controlled by this remote, right? 这个的开灯。Oh, okay. 明白。This kind of lights are very unique, and like you can put it in your any room, like drawing room or guest room, something like that. And it's kind of, I think, so much reasonable price if you compare with another place. So it's like a European style, but it's really very good and gorgeous, as you can see. I like it. So if you have any inquiry, just let me know. I will try to share the information and price and everything. Just keep touch with me. Okay, so thank you. So this is have some interesting story. Some people don't allow you to make some videos or take photos because here is copy is anyone can copy anything in China. So that's why they restricted to make some video vlogs. But I will try to take some videos and whatever. I just try to share some. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, the fan turn on in the top of this, under of these lights. Here is the features. Hello. So, and another, you can see some different kinds of lights. So এখানে কিছু লাইট আছে. Okay. So can you okay, yeah. So as you can see, there is amazing lights for the ceiling. 你会学英文吗? Okay, 明白，没问题。So if you guys want to buy this kind of light, just let me know about this. It's really very good for the office or maybe home. It's really great. This kind of lights, not the luxury purpose, but you can like designing purpose, you guys can use it. Okay. Like a lamp. See? Oh, it's a voice control. So, 打开. What? 你说什么? 小爱. Oh, 小爱. 打开风扇. Oh, 打开风扇. So when you say like this, 这个英文的可以吗？不可以。No. Okay, no. 现在 just only Chinese. Maybe in future. Okay. Yeah, it's already turned on. It's really good. So you can control this kind of fan with your voice. So it's very good for maybe for the dining room or drawing room. Just you can. It's very unique fans. This one is very unique and very traditional vibes. I like 你好. Ha. So 你们的目录有吗？目录
路
Yeah.
也没有，只有小灯网这里。
One is very unique and very good. It's crazy. Really amazing one. And if you like it, just let me know. This is the expensive one in this place, bigger one. So, that's crazy, right? Try to take some drone views. Let's go. Very popular. 你好. OK， 你好，你好，你会说英文吗？
你需要什么呀？
我需要这个的东西。
这个灯是吧？
好
这个尖抛是吧？
这个的。
彩色的是吧。
彩色的。
哦，彩色的哦。
微信有吗？
有。
OK， 给有你的sorry， 不好意思啊。So this kind of light they have. So if you want to buy this kind of lights, just let me know. Here have battery দিয়ে দেখাচ্ছে আর কি। wow， 好明白。
这样，这个就是这样。
so okay, fine. তো এটা হলো, this one is for hanging on the wall, so you can charge it from here. So it's 非常好。very good, very good. So
这个短的也有。
这
个可以放在床头，床头就是这样。
So
你看这样在床头啊。然后它可以单亮，这个也可以单亮，这个也可以单亮。
So if you switch on off, the light will be turned on and turn off. 贵单。OK。
对，这两个都可以独立亮的。
Okay. So
也有插座。
this is for this is for this.
对。
Okay. 明白。So this have a very good collection. Right. Very good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video for now, and I will be maybe see you in the next vlog, and I will continue this kind of interesting which is you can choose some products, and if you like it, just let me know, and I will try to share more videos in future. Take care, tada, bye bye, see you.